the sun says goodnight and the stars say hello, the city hums a tune in the moon's soft glow. Lovers waltz through the park on a pathway of dreams. Whispers float through the air, riding midnight's beams. Piano keys dance lightly, like raindrops on a pond. Each note a secret lover, forming an unspoken bond. With a smile and a wink, the night plays its game. In the embrace of twilight, you're never quite the same. Oh, let the jazz flow where the moonlight grows in a haze of saxophone sighs. We'll find romance in a twilight trance underneath these starlit skies. Cafes hum with chatter and glasses softly chink. Every moment a melody with love's subtle wink. Shadows paint the sidewalks in hues so serene, while jazz paves the pathways of this twilight scene. With each chord you play, you steal my breath away in this nocturne so divine. Our hearts, they beat in syncopated heat, lost in rhythm and rhyme. As the night deepens, the tempo slows its pace. Every heartbeat echoes in this jazz embrace. Candles flicker softly, casting silver and gold in a dance of shadows. New stories unfold. Cafes hum with the jazz flow where the moonlight grows in a haze of saxophone sighs. We'll find romance in a twilight trance underneath these starlit skies. Underneath these starlit skies. Cafes hum with chatter and glasses softly chink. Every moment a melody with love's subtle wink. Shadows paint the sidewalks in hues so serene, while jazz paves the pathways of this twilight scene. With each chord you play, you steal my breath away in this nocturne so divine. Our hearts